Hey everyone, welcome back. So you were trying to hop into Hytale and explore Orbis, but you were stuck at the main menu with a server authentication failed or failed to connect error. Super annoying, right? Don't worry, this is actually really common right now, and I'm going to walk you through a few fixes that should get you right back in. Let's figure this out together. Okay, this first fix sounds absolutely ridiculous, but trust me, it is usually the culprit. If your computer's clock is even a few seconds off from the server's time, the game thinks your login token is fake and kicks you out. Go down to the bottom right of your screen, right-click the time, and hit Adjust Date and Time. You want to make sure the toggle for Set Time Automatically is turned on. But here's the important part. Click that button that says Sync Now. This forces your PC to check in with the official time servers. Once that is done, restart the Hytale launcher and see if it lets you in. If that didn't work, your computer's security might be being a little too protective and blocking the game from talking to the internet. Press your Windows key and just type Firewall. You're looking for Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click the Change Settings button at the top right so we can actually edit things. Scroll down until you find Hytale, or sometimes it shows up as Java or hytale.exe. Make sure the boxes for both private and public are checked next to it. If only one is checked, it causes issues. Hit OK, close it out, and try the game again. Now, if you can almost join but then get kicked with a connection timed out error, there's a specific hidden setting in your Wi-Fi card that messes with Hytale's new network code. Let's turn it off. Right-click your Start button and open Device Manager. Open up Network Adapters and find your Wi-Fi card. It usually says Intel or Realtek. Double-click it, go to the Advanced tab, and look for something called Packet Coalescing. If you see it, change the value to Disabled. This stops your card from saving up data packets and forces it to send them instantly, which Hytale needs. One last thing, if you were the one running the server and your friends can't join, your server itself might be logged out. Check your server console black box. If you see server not authenticated, type this command, /auth login device. Click the link it gives you, log in with your account, and you should be good to go. And that's it. Hopefully one of those steps got you past the error screen. If this helped you get back online, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. It really helps the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in-game.